how to use text-to-speech on your iPhone. If you want your iPhone to read text aloud for you, this tutorial will show you how to enable spoken content. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap Accessibility. Scroll down and tap Read and Speak. Here, you'll find several options for having your iPhone read text aloud. Turn on Speak Selection if you want to select specific text and have your iPhone read it aloud. You can also turn on Speak Screen if you want your iPhone to read everything on the screen. Once it's enabled, open any page with text. To use Speak Selection, select the text you want to hear and tap Speak. To use Speak Screen, swipe down with 2 fingers from the top of the screen and your iPhone will start reading the content aloud. You can also adjust the speaking rate, choose a different voice, and customize other speaking options from the same menu. And that's it. This is how you can use text-to-speech and spoken content on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.